Hey, Mike Foster here. Another Eats the Street. How you guys doing? We're heading to Taco Bell. I don't even know what I'm going to get, but I know some of you guys, a lot of you guys have said, Mike, try Taco Bell. Do an Eats the Street with Taco Bell. And that's what I'm doing. Mike Eats the Street. Hey, can I have a, you got this like a taco?
You said a what? I'm sorry?
Do you have like a taco in here?
We have soft tacos.
Yeah, let me get a soft taco. And you got like a beef and bean burrito?
We do not, but we have a bean burrito. Can put beans in it if you'd like me to.
No, let me get a burrito supreme. That sounds good. How's that
Alrighty.
sound? Oh yeah, give me one crunchy one too, okay?
A crunchy one too?
Yeah.
Alrighty, anything else?
That's all I want. Thank you. I haven't been here in so long. I don't even know what the hell's going on. But we're gonna get these. We're gonna try these and see how they taste. We're gonna try each one of these. That's the soft taco from Taco Bell. You know, I always say I haven't been to Taco Bell or these places in a long time, and I haven't. Let's see how this one tastes. This is the soft taco. That one tastes pretty good. This is the hard taco. Taco Bell. Mike Eats the Street. Put a little salsa on there. Now, I gotta tell you, right now I think the salsa is better here than at Del Taco. Let's try this bite. Been in my last few Eats the Streets. The last one that's left is this. What did I get? A burrito, a 5-layer burrito supreme. Oh my God! Try this one. Got a little sour cream, little lettuce, little burrito, little supreme. That was okay. That wasn't great. No one's surprised about Taco Bell. You've been coming here for a long time. I remember the first time I had Taco Bell, I was in California, over 35 years ago. They didn't have them back east where I grew up. Actually, I think they had one of them there, and it was like really interesting. But guess what? Taco Bell's loaded with sodium, so watch that. But it's loaded with flavor. This is a thumbs up, Mike Eats the Street, and I like doing a thumbs up once in a while. So check out your nearest Taco Bell and try some of the different stuff they have. I just got the basic stuff today, and I got to tell you, it hit the spot. And now for the next 30 days before my next Mike Eats the Street, I'm going to eat nothing but vegetables, salad, and lean protein. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel, by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right, so we got this, we got the mild salsa. We'll try that. I think it's gonna be a thumbs up. But you can't get by without a little Taco Bell salsa. Or they call it mild sauce. They don't call it salsa, they call it sauce. Let's try this one. For more videos like this, Jesus. Now back east they call it taco. They say, have you been to the Taco Bell? No, I went to the Taco Bell the other day. They gave me a tortilla, a taco, a burrito at the Taco Bell.